Waterfalls are truly spectacular places, and the conditions that are needed for them to form are also quite unusual. In order for a waterfall to form, there needs to be a layer of hard rock that is sitting on top a layer of soft rock. These stones are being eroded through the process of downcutting or deep erosion. This process happens a lot faster, however, when the rock is softer. This means that the water falling from above has an easier time eroding it away. At that point, a cycle of water is formed inside the plunge pool that is below the waterfall. Inside of it, hydraulic action takes place. One consequence of it is expanding the pool that forms below the waterfall, below the layer of hard rock, exposing it from the bottom. This process continues, and after some time, the hanging part of the hard rock may, under the force of gravity, fall down into the pool. This pushes the waterfall backwards. This process is called headward erosion.